Attention, gear enthusiasts and tactical aficionados. Today, we have something truly exhilarating in store for you. In this action-packed video, we will explore the world of tactical military gear and gadgets that will leave you absolutely astounded. From innovative respirators to state-of-the-art optics, we've got it all lined up just for you. So gear up, because it's about to get tactical. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Are you ready to breathe a sigh of relief, quite literally? Introducing the Mira Safety Tactical Air Purifying Respirator, a game-changer in the world of personal protective equipment. With its cutting-edge filtration system and comfortable design, this respirator keeps you safe in even the most hazardous environments. This advanced respirator is built for extreme conditions, providing clean, purified air while offering a full field of vision. Its modular design allows for customization, making it a vital asset for those who prioritize safety in high-risk environments. No more compromising on your safety. Step up your footwear game with the unrivaled original SWAT the Alpha Fury boots. Built to handle any mission, these boots offer superior comfort, durability, and agility. Whether you're trekking through rough terrains or engaging in high-intensity operations, these boots mean business. They're designed for exceptional performance, whether you're on a mission or just out on an adventure. With features like slip-resistant outsoles and anti-fatigue technology, the Alpha Fury boots provide optimal comfort, support, and stability for long-lasting wear. They're the ultimate footwear for those who demand nothing less than the best. Coming in at number 3 is the Samurai Tactical Wakizashi Backpack. This piece of gear is a game-changer when it comes to tactical backpacks. Made from high-density fabric, 100% polyester, this backpack is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Its 1475 inches capacity ensures that you have more than enough space for all your essentials. The heavy-duty zippers and utility-style cord pulls ensure easy access to your belongings, while the load compression system on both sides allows you to adjust the backpack according to your desired fit. It's designed to carry your mission-critical equipment with ease. With multiple compartments, maul webbing, and a hydration bladder compartment, it features a hydration bladder pocket with a hose port, allowing easy access to your H2O source. You can say goodbye to dehydration worries with this backpack by your side. The Wakizashi is your reliable companion in the field. It's designed for quick access and adaptability, making it a must-have for any tactical enthusiast. Never miss a moment with the Vortex Optics Recce Pro HD 8x32 binoculars by your side. These top-of-the-line optics offer crystal-clear visuals and exceptional precision, allowing you to scope out targets from afar. Whether you're an avid birdwatcher or a tactical enthusiast, the Recce Pro HD 8x32 will elevate your viewing experience to new heights. The Recce Pro HD is designed for exceptional performance in all conditions. Its HD glass, fully multi-coated lenses, and rugged construction make it a top choice for military and outdoor enthusiasts. Get a closer look at your surroundings and capture every detail with these incredible scope. Lock and load with the ultimate tactical holster, the Blackhawk Epic Level 3. This is the pinnacle of tactical gear, built to protect and serve those on the front lines. Level 1 retention engages your pistol's ejection port, locking it securely in place until you're ready to draw. But that's not all. The Epic holster takes it a step further with its patented Level 2 retention, featuring the auto-lock thumb release. With a simple thumb activation, you can release the lock and access your weapon smoothly and efficiently. And if that wasn't enough, there's Level 3 retention, the showstopper. The thumb-activated pivot guard opens and provides an extra layer of security, ensuring your weapon stays locked in place until you need it. The Blackhawk Epic Level 3 holster isn't just about retention, it's also about compatibility. It's designed to fit popular lights like the TLR-1, TLR-2, and X300, so you don't have to compromise on your gear. Designed with advanced retention technology, this holster provides unmatched security and quick access to your firearm. Whether you're a law enforcement officer or a responsible civilian, The Epic Level 3 ensures your weapon stays securely in place, ready for action at a moment's notice. Safety and efficiency combined. There you have it. Our top 5 incredible tactical military gear and gadgets. Each of these items represents the cutting edge of tactical innovation, and they are must-haves for those who demand the best in performance and protection. If you found this video insightful and exciting, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for more exciting gear showcases and adventure content.